Don't ask me why they call it a bead. It doesn't look like a damn bead to me. They're wires. So you gotta get it down underneath those wires. And this is, oh God, I can't believe what a chore this is. Anyway, I'm still working on it. So, but you can see these are wires. I mean, how do they expect you to break that without some major heavy-duty equipment? Of course, I don't have the strength that men do, so maybe I needed just to dig down further to begin with when the tire was on there. I don't know, like I said, hopefully I won't have to do it for at least another 7 years or so, because the tires I'm putting on are going to be 4-ply, and they're a good tire. You know, they're Carlisle 20 times 8 4-ply turf savers, 60 something bucks each. Trust me, you can pay more, but I got them at Walmart, so it's the same thing. Putting the tire on, there's no way it could be as hard as what this is, but these are heavy-duty tires, I'll tell you. Okay, you can pray for me. Bye.